Kia ora everyone, it's Joe here, Chief Encourager at AHNZ. Is e-waste an issue in New Zealand? Yeah, look, it definitely is, and it's an issue the government is looking at tackling. However, I think it's actually a behavioural issue across a couple of reasons. One is we've still got at least conservatively 70%. Indicators in some regions are up to 98% still going to landfill. And we all know there's recoverable resource or recoverable materials in e-waste. And there's lots and lots of opportunities for recovering that resource for e-waste. So in part, yeah, there is. It's a behavioural problem that we've got to think outside of what we can do with our products, our resources, our e-waste at the end of the life when we've finished using it. Yeah, so what can corporates do better? At the moment, one of my major concerns is we still think recycling works. Recycling's great, but it takes a lot of energy and a lot of carbon to take in a piece of material and get it back to its raw, usable material. With tech, it's innately upcyclable. So what I'd like to say to our corporates and our corporate partners is that let's think reuse, let's think upcycle. Let's not think immediately downcycle or recycle. And if we change our behaviours around this, we experience at least 90% of the tech that comes in through AHNZ is innately reusable. Not only creating living wage employment, volunteerism and training opportunities, but also blessing our communities. And that's what we need to change our mindset from recycling, upcycle, reuse. Yeah, so examples of what our impact partners are doing. Yeah, so it's really great. We work with the largest corporates all over New Zealand. We don't charge them in regards to taking their e-waste because it is innately upcyclable. We have good partnerships with them where they understand what we're trying to do. And as I've said before, not only are we recovering this resource and upcycling it through professional technicians and all of the wipe certs and everything that our corporates require, we're able to put that through our All Heart stores and back into our community, which is creating community wealth. And that's what we're all about. And so, yeah, so our corporates want to think differently about their e-waste, and they're not thinking just recycling. And they're looking at the highest part of that waste hierarchy, which is reuse. And that's where AHNZ, we're totally focused on reuse, repurpose, upcycle. That's what we do well, and that's what we do for our corporate impact partners when it comes to e-waste. We work across New Zealand when it comes to all resource recovery for corporate and construction waste/resource. This is resource that we can recover. And so reach out to AHNZ. There's no greater cost than sending the stuff to landfill. You can connect with us. You can connect with our environmental and social kaupapa. We will help you make a difference and we will do the work for you. Just reach out, have a chat. We'd love to work with you. Kia ora, everyone.